Can you have an AI chef? Today we're going to be rating AI generated food, but here's the added challenge. All the image prompts will be entirely randomized by Bing. Apparently on Google, the average person should eat about 3 meals and 1 to 2 snacks per day. Let's do this. I simply asked Bing to give me a random food category. Generate me a random food category like keto. Bing suggested me to some breakfast that is healthy, vegan and cheap. I copied an image prompt that Bing gave me and headed over to Bing Image Creator. I pasted in the prompt, somewhat vegan and cheap breakfast with oatmeal, almond milk, banana slices and chia seeds, and waited. The images of the food looked too good to be made by AI. I gave breakfast a solid B. Did I mention that every time we generate a new dish, a random new ingredient will make it to the final dinner? Chef Bing has requested that the final dinner should include sweet potato. Okay. For the sake of snacking, let's just throw a nutty dish. Here we got a glorious trail mix of cashews, almonds, peanuts, and yes, raisins. Sorry raisin haters. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, these nuts need to sit at A. Our next ingredient is lobster tail. Now we've got lunch. Just imagine going to a local diner. I mean, space diner. Let's ask Chef Bing to serve us something random in this. After all, it's our chef. After some loading time, we got our results. Spaghetti and meatballs. The lunch seems alright, but still, we cannot lie how Bing never misses on image quality. This is making me hungry. So let's just give spaghetti and meatballs just an A. But what is a space-themed diner that's lacking space in the food? I quickly inquired Bing for a new prompt and got this. Delicious.
Nice.
The next ingredient Bing is adding bacon. Turns out Chef Bing is offering another meal. I promptly asked Bing for something wild. Bing offered a giant nacho pizza with extra cheese, salsa, sour cream, jalapenos, olives, and guacamole. For the sides, deep fried Oreos with chocolate sauce, bacon wrapped hot dogs with mustard, and ketchup and flaming hot Cheetos with ranch dipping. The final ingredients for the mighty feast. Chef Bing has added mango lassi. Let's blend this in.
Amazing.
We cannot end this video without adding dessert. Enjoy the Oreo fudge with ice cream.